Hey everyone, I'm Sue and welcome back for another episode of Does This Notion Really Work? And in today's episode, I'm going to be talking about the EasyPress 2 from Cricut. This EasyPress 2 has totally changed the way I look at pressing. And I'm really excited about sharing with you exactly how to use it. In fact, we're going to even make the beginning project that comes with the EasyPress 2. This way you can see step by step on how to do it. So grab your EasyPress 2 and let's get started. When you first get your EasyPress 2, just remove everything out of the box and go ahead and hold on to all this important paperwork. You're going to also want to make sure you register your EasyPress 2. Now this little Cricut C is going to be part of the project that we're about to do, and there are step-by-step instructions on how to do it, but I'm here to help you get along that. So just remove everything out of the box. Inside this little bag is your EasyPress 2, and this is the little tray stand. This is what you're going to put your EasyPress 2 on. Just remove the plastic from the power cord and discard it. And now go ahead and remove the EasyPress 2 from that little bag. That bag is going to be our project. We're going to be placing that Cricut C directly over top of that bag in just a moment. Use some scissors to remove the plastic from the EasyPress 2 and definitely discard that plastic. Now it's time to plug your EasyPress 2 in and turn the power cord on. And in order to adjust the temperature, you press the temperature button and you can adjust the temperature with the up and down. Same with the time, so you can set your time. Follow the instructions to make sure that you got it the right temperature, and we're going to wait for that little C to turn green. While we're waiting, we're going to get our Easy Mat out, and you don't have to have one of these, but I gotta tell you, I tried it with a towel and it definitely was better with the mat. All right, our little green light is on. Let's push it out of the way, get our mat down, lay our bag, and here is the best part. The EasyPress 2 is actually a big giant iron. So before you do any pressing of your vinyls, it's always a good idea to go ahead and press your materials first. And again, it's like a big giant iron, so it's super cool. I have a feeling I'm going to be using this a lot. Press it on the front and the back just for about 5 or so seconds in each area. Now find the center of your little bag, and I use the EasyPress 2 to give it a little press to mark that center. Now you're going to take your Cricut C and find where you like it. And here's the best part. We've already set our EasyPress 2 for 30 seconds. The green light is on, and you're going to lay the EasyPress 2 right over it, press the green light, and you'll see the countdown begin. Now I'm going to go ahead and fast forward here. Once you're finished pressing, you're going to just flip the bag to the wrong side and do it again. You can go ahead and use the timer, but this time we're only going to do it for 15 seconds. Again, just follow the packaging instructions. And when you're finished, you can flip it over, and if it needs to be pressed again, go for it. But otherwise, once it's cooled down a little bit, you can just peel that top coating away. And there you go. Your bag is all finished. When you're all done with your EasyPress 2, just reposition the stand and be sure to turn it off. Oh my gosh, you see what I mean? How you're never going to think about pressing the same again? This little guy is a total game changer in my pressing world. And to get your very own EasyPress 2, be sure to click on the link in the description below. And if you like this video, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Of course, join my weekly newsletter, follow me on Instagram, and come join the fun over at my Facebook fan club. You can find me everywhere at Sue Designs. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below. And don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Have a creative day. Bye-bye.